Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinash Creations. In this video, we are going to create DIYs using Fevicryl 3D neon liners on 4 different types of surfaces. So let's start with the first one, which is a plastic pouch, and I'm going to doodle some musical doodles over here. For the second DIY, I'm using a notebook surface. On this, I'm going to doodle some leaf and flower doodles, but first I'm going to cover the surface of the notebook with black acrylic paint so that our neon liners pop out very brightly on it. For the third DIY, I wanted to try these liners on some fabric material. So here I am DIYing a plain cap with this neon liners. Marking some guidelines of my design with the pencil. I have also painted a matching t-shirt to this cap in one of my videos. Link to that video is in the description box below. Check it out. Here is my cute little model. For the last and final DIY, I am going to use this neon liners on a stone. And here is our fourth and final DIY. I loved working with Fevicryl 3D neon liners on 4 different surfaces. They are very durable and looks very great after drying as well. You can get them easily at any good stationery store at your place at just 99 rupees. I highly recommend you guys to try this out. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button if you do, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.